We're in a very good place where we're again in a place where our account executives are fully booked in terms of the demos that they're getting. There's a lot of interest. In fact, there's more interest for our products and offerings at this point than we have availability of salespeople to give demos for those. So there's plenty of opportunities for us to leverage.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Ali Tashkandar. He is the CEO of Wishpond. And Ali, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Good. Thank you very much. It's good to be here.
Good stuff. And also joining us is your new Chief Financial Officer, Adrian Lim. And Adrian, it's nice to see you as well.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, Adrian, we'll get to you in just a second. But first, Ali, here to talk about what it was a record-breaking second quarter for the company once again. And we've talked about this in the past of how you're sort of building continually quarter after quarter, and this one was no different.
Yeah, I'm very excited and very proud of the company's achievements. Q2 2024 was a record year in terms of revenue compared to other second quarters for us. And it also was a record in terms of adjusted EBITDA. We grew our adjusted EBITDA by 151% year over year over the quarter two of last year. And that just goes back to our efforts and focus on improving cash flow, increasing revenue, but also keeping costs under control, keeping headcount under control. And because of that, the company is doing quite well.
Yeah. Adrian, I mentioned you're the new CFO, but you have been with the company as a controller for the past 4 years, so you know it intimately. Talk to me a little bit about some of the numbers that you're seeing, which you're especially proud of.
Yeah, for sure. So, we've had some good year-over-year organic revenue growth. We've been able to successfully implement lots of cost reductions across the board. And this has led to some really good increasing trends that we're seeing in our metrics, including our revenue per headcount that's been increasing over time. This has also resulted in some very strong adjusted EBITDA and adjusted EBITDA margins of 9% for this quarter alone. So also worth noting is our earnout payments are now all fully completed. So that's going to have some good positive impact on our cash flows on a go forward. So we're in a very good position after this quarter to seeing continued improvements in our adjusted EBITDA and adjusted EBITDA margins.
Yeah. Ali, is it the success that you're seeing of Propel IQ and also SalesCloser that you really see as the driver now for the company moving forward and highlighted obviously in these numbers?
Absolutely. Over the past year, as we mentioned, we announced Propel IQ, which is our all-in-one bundled offering that brings everything that a business needs to succeed with online marketing in one platform and makes it affordable. And we recently in Q2 announced SalesCloser AI, which is our AI sales agent that is capable of doing phone calls or Zoom calls and helping our customers ramp up. Not necessarily increasing headcount and keeping it under control, and those two are making us put us on a solid platform for growth in the coming quarters and into 2025 as well.
How about opportunities in the pipeline? Is that something you're still looking at for the rest of this year and beyond?
Yeah, so we're in a very good place where we're again in a place where our account executives are fully booked in terms of the demos that they're getting. There's a lot of interest. In fact, there's more interest for our products and offerings at this point than we have availability of salespeople to give demos for those. So there's plenty of opportunities for us to leverage. And with SalesCloser also, our plans are to expand selling SalesCloser through all of our account executives, all of our salespeople, which will only accelerate the growth there.
Yeah. And lastly, Adrian, a lot of this was fueled by organic expansion. Is that something you like to see, or do you want to sort of have more of a mix moving forward of a lot of different areas coming in?
Yeah, probably a bit of a mix, right? So organic growth and revenues is, of course, a goal of ours. And then just staying disciplined with our cost spend to make sure that we're still contributing to our adjusted EBITDA.
Yeah. Well, gentlemen, congratulations on another record-breaking quarter for the company. Adrian, congratulations to you. It's good to start as a CFO and you've got strong numbers like this out of the gate. So I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And as always, Ali, I know you're pretty excited about where the company's at and really what the trajectory looks like.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I think we're in a really good place. Our gross margins have been constantly increasing. Our adjusted EBITDA is increasing. A lot of our costs are behind us in the first quarter, half of the year. we have a lot of good things going for us in the future quarters.
All right, we'll continue to monitor the situation. Adrian Lim, the CFO, and Ali Tashkandar, the CEO of Wishpond.